So let's take a look at how to set up and manage goals. Start by navigating to your home page. Scroll down till you get to the section that says Goals and Milestones. Select the Edit button and enter some kind of ultimate goal that must be achieved in order to realize your vision. I'll put in the grand opening and select Update Goal. Now that you've got that entered, you can add milestones. These are like stair steps. So let's put in here, let's say purchase inventory. So we've got something entered in there. Let's give it a due date. So you think you can have it done in a month or so, so we add that. So there's how you basically populate your goals. You can go on and keep adding milestones like this. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and switch to a different group where I've got a bunch that already entered. So again, I'm going to scroll to the down, and you can see that that I've got quite a number of milestones entered in here. You can put in as many as you want, and that a bunch of them have already been accomplished, right? But I've got some that aren't accomplished yet. So let's say this one right here is complete. I want to go ahead and mark it complete. So I just do that, and you can see it updates. So I've got 2 more open milestones before I reach my goal. This chart up here reflects where you are. So say each of those are a milestone as you step towards the goal. And up here is the point where the goal is achieved. So you can see we've got a couple open, and here they are. So if you've got a milestone in there that you'd like to edit, just click the edit, and you can edit. You can change the due date or change what it says. Just cancel that. You can also edit the goals. So that's an idea of how to create and edit your goals.